There's a new injectable known as Skin Booster that's hit the market in the U.S. and it's made its way to Orange County, and they help give a glow that we are just so excited to try out right in time for the holidays. So joining us to tell us all about the treatment and more and give us the perfect holiday glow is Dr. Jeff Birchall and Sara Orban from Dermacare in San Juan Capistrano, which offers the treatment. And one of the treatments we have going on is the Diamond Glow Facial, which is what Megan is getting right now. Megan, how are you feeling? Let's check in with you before we really get into it.
I feel so relaxed. This is the most I've relaxed all day. I feel so good. She hasn't started quite yet, but she did take off some of the makeup and that already felt great. So you can get going whenever you'd like.
Let's fire it up.
Yes.
Let's get that going, and let's check in with our executive producer, Jake, who just got these injections off camera. And tell us a little bit about what these are and what make them different from other things on the market.
Well, SKINVIVE is a hydration injection. It's micro droplets, meaning just a little bit that we inject into each kind of square that we've drawn out here on Jake's face. It's different because it's not volumizing. Dr.
Not a filler.
You're correct.
You have a grid on Jake's face. We couldn't really see that. But yes. And you put it in each of the little...
Right, so we cleanse the skin first. We always start with cleansing, and then we kind of just draw out. We want 25 or so boxes on each side, and then we do 25 little injections on each side of the cheek.
So Jake, how did it feel?
It was easy breezy. I
Didn't
barely
hurt?
felt it. Yeah, it was nice.
And what kind of results is he going to see, and in how long?
About 2-ish weeks, you'll start to see kind of the glow of the skin, and that's really from the health, right? We want really healthy skin cells. So we insert, when we inject the filler or the SKINVIVE, it basically inserts an aquaporin channel 3, which lets water go into the cells, giving more hydrated, healthy cells, giving more glow of the face in about 2 weeks.
We all want to glow. Doctor, there are so many things on the market that people are used to hearing about. Botox, there are fillers. So what is it about this product that you like and think is worth checking out for people?
So hyaluronic acid is a great hydrator, and we use it many ways, Diamond Glows, and now we're injecting it into the dermis, which is going to increase the skin health, improve the light reflection, and that's where the glow comes from. The light reflects, which makes it look shiny and luminous, and kind of indicates vitality and happiness, so it's good.
How long does it last?
At least 6 months is how long you're going to see the effect. If you're lucky, a little bit longer, but plan on 6 months.
6 months is pretty good. Is it price tag?
Was that?
What's the price tag?
It can range anywhere from, you know, $650 for an injection of the face.
To do the full face?
Full face, yes.
Okay, all right. So is it worth it for the glow? Jake, we're going to have to wait a little bit of time and see. So let's shift over to Megan. Megan is getting a Diamond Glow Facial. So doctor, tell us about what's going on right now with Megan.
So many of us have heard about microdermabrasion. So this is exfoliating the skin. Well, at the same time, there's a little suction mechanism to it which helps infuse the hyaluronic acid deep into the skin to evoke extra benefits from working.
Megan, how are you feeling? Describe the process happening right now on your skin.
It's a good scrub. I think for us who work in television and other people in different worlds, like if you put a lot of makeup and reapply, you kind of forget the self-care element of it, and like wiping off with some wipes every day isn't enough. So, doctor, can I ask you, I know I can't see you. I don't know where you're at.
We're here right now.
But how often do you recommend getting these to take care of your skin?
Diamond Glow, you're going to be doing it monthly. To every 3 months, depending on how good a care you take at home of your skin.
Got it.
But you want to continue to get that skin exfoliated. It's a polish that's always going to make your skin look better.
Yeah, it's a little bit like a vacuum. That's how I would describe it.
Absolutely.
Does it hurt, Megan?
Not at all. Like I don't have sensitive skin, but you can feel just like if you were to have a loofah on your skin. You know, you just feel it's a good scrub.
Yeah.
Cat's tongue. Some people describe it as a
like a
like a cat licking.
Oh, like a cat licking.
You know, like the cat tongue's a little rough.
Yeah,
sure.
And what are the benefits of this over other things that are on the market? Like why this versus just a regular microdermabrasion or some of the or a chemical peel or some of the other things people do?
There are so many layers and levels in which we can treat the skin. So a microderm is just going to exfoliate. This adds the infusion, which gets our products deeper into the skin so that they can have more benefit. You can then get more aggressive, which increases downtime. So if you're looking for that sweet spot of minimal downtime, a kind of little pick-me-up to keep me looking good right now, this is going to be your procedure for that purpose.
And why would you choose one over the other when it comes to holiday glow, Megan's treatment versus Jake's injections?
Well, hyaluronic acid is good for the skin at every level, whether it's topical, This is just going to be in the epidermis, or if we go into the deep skin, like we're doing with the Diamond Glow, you're just hitting it at different levels of the skin. So the additive effect of hyaluronic acid at multiple levels is going to give you even more benefit than one alone.
And these are both offered at your spa. Tell us a little bit about your spa.
So Dermacare is a full service med spa where we provide all kinds of service, from simple skin care to Diamond Glows, peels. We'll do lasers and all the injections, multiple choices, and the key there is customizing it for the individual needs of the client that's coming through our office.
Tell me, what is the hottest thing right now that people want when they come into your med spa?
It's the classic injection with filler and
Botox.
Botox. Those two are, for us, they're 1 and 2, or 1A and 1B, or 1B and 1A, depending on the time. Just makes a huge, huge difference. They work and they make a huge difference for people.
What's that, Megan?
I was saying good gifts.
Good gifts.
For
Do you
people.
do any gifts
Yeah.
for the holiday season?
Absolutely. We're always opening gift certificates. Though sometimes it's hard for a family member to offer that to their person.
Hi,
You don't want to offend anybody.
Make sure if you want it, you let your significant other know you want
I
a
would
gift
appreciate
certificate.
that.
Go tell them you want a gift certificate.
Yeah. And before we wrap up, I just want to go back to the injections. Can you give us a sense of, can you just show us what they are? I know we can't do them on camera, but maybe you can show us what exactly is injected. Is it a whole syringe? How does it work?
Yeah, so there's 2 syringes or vials that come in a box, and we do 1 vial per side of the face. So it's a combination of 2.
And this product's just so smooth. I don't know if you can see it, but it falls just out of the syringe. Really,
Valuable product right there, doctor.
It is really thin.
Can I put it on top of it?
Absolutely. And it feels that silky smooth when you touch it to the back of your hand. You can just feel the silkiness to that.
Yeah, it does.
It just really feels nice when you use it as a product, and it integrates into the tissue really, really nicely. That's why it's not a filler or a bulking agent. This is a skin treatment agent that's working at the cellular level, not at the bulking level.
And we know it's such a hot product when we talk about the kind of moisturizers and products people put on their faces. So now you're putting it in,
This
you're putting
is
it.
moisturizer on steroids. It's going to do all the things you need for moisturizer at the highest level possible.
Okay, and we do want to mention that Dermacare San Juan Capistrano just opened in Orange County this fall. It's offering complimentary Diamond Glow treatments to first responders and teachers in Orange County through the end of the year. So the treatment that Megan's getting, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
That is so awesome.
And we're grateful for those people in our lives.
Oh, we're grateful for you doing that for them. And Dermacare is also offering KTLA viewers $250 gift cards towards their SKINVIVE purchase when they mention KTLA. Hey, that's a deal.
Yeah.
All right.
Looking
So
forward
you
to seeing
see the information on your screen. You can scan that QR code. We really appreciate you guys being here. Megan, how you doing over there?
Doing so good. She says that the skin and stuff has been collected so you can see it at the end, not you guys.
Wow.
But it's really gratifying, I think, for the person to know, like, this is how much gunk was taken off. Listen, it's the little things that make me get me excited.
Yeah. Okay. We'll wait for that one on Instagram. And
Check the
Jake, we
IG.
can't wait to see the results of your injections. Thanks you guys so much.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.